Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Bither wallet on your phone. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store on your device. You can also use Play Store if you are using an Android phone. After that, click on the search bar. Then type in the name of the application. Now click on search. Here, scroll down until you find this icon and click on it. Now click on download button. You may need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint and passcode if it is your first time downloading it. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. Now click on open to use the Bither wallet application. You can also find the application on your home screen on your device. So that is how you can download Bither wallet on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.